The result of my test and personality test. The result of my personal test.
So, this is my Big 5 personality test report. The Big 5 personality test offers a concise measure of the 5 major factors of personality as well as the 6 packets that define each factor. Factor scores give a broad global description of an individual facet. Scores describe in more detail the specific traits of personality that makes up the broad global description. And then, this is my visual summary of your results. Openness to experience is 33% and the conscientiousness is 21%. Extraversion 42%, agreeableness is 55%, and natural reaction is 59%.
The textual summary of my report.
The Big 5 factors: openness to experience, describing a low range scoring person. Traditionalist, down-to-earth, practical, conservative, prefers traditional outlooks and technical problem solving. Percentile 33, range middle, describing a high range scoring person. Imaginative, open-minded, experimental, prefers creative, conceptual, problem solving, and the conscientiousness, work ethic. Spontaneous, disorganized, prefers flexible plans, dislike precise details. The percentile 21 and the range is low. In describing a high range scoring person, conscientious, disciplined, efficient, well organized, like precise detail, strong sense of duty, very high scorers could be described as a workaholics. The extraversion, reserved, formal, serious, quiet, prefers working alone, avoids direct leadership roles. Percentile 42, range middle, and the describing a high range scoring person is outgoing, friendly, assertive, likes working with others, enjoys direct leadership roles. And the agreeableness, describing a low range scoring person, skeptical, competitive, proud, prefers competition over cooperation. And the percentile 55, range middle, describing a high range scoring person is compassionate, eager to please, good natured, prefers cooperation over competition and conflicts. The natural reactions, describing a low-range scoring person, not easily upset in stressful situation, relaxed, resilient, calm. And percentile 59, range middle, describing a high-range scoring person, is experiences negative emotional reaction and feelings of anxiety, prone to worry, easily upset.
Based on my performance unique test.
Based on my performance on the IQ test, estimate that my IQ scores lies within a range of 93 up to 109. I answered to IQ test and my other score result of my IQ test. I've answered 3 of the 10 questions correctly. That indicates an IQ score under or up to 100. Generally, a score of 100 equals an intermediate vocational education level. I might be able to score higher, perhaps I were not as focused, or I just had a lunch, or I had never taken an IQ test. Yes, I have not taken an IQ test before, and I were trying it out. I might practice to help my score higher on the next IQ test that I will study.
Thank you. and I hope you enjoy listening.